Do you have a problem managing your music? Do you wish there was an easier way to get your music without having to buy from iTunes, or even getting a CD, or worse, a cassette tape? Then you might want to stick around. I'm going to show you how to get started with Spotify. Spotify is a music streaming service with an ever-expanding library of 30 million songs. Let's start by creating an account. Go to spotify.com and click the Sign Up button in the top left corner. From there, follow the straightforward steps to creating an account. You can then proceed to download Spotify on the device of your choice. Spotify runs on tablets, phones, computers, and even PlayStations. Now, you have access to Spotify's seemingly endless library of music. But there's another way we can improve our Spotify experience. This is called Spotify Premium. For $9.99 a month, Spotify Premium will give you shuffle play, ad-free listening, unlimited skips, offline listening, the ability to listen to any song you want, and high-quality 320 kilobit per second audio files. This is compared to the free version, which only allows shuffle play of songs. So now, your favorite songs and artists are a mere search away. You can also bundle them into a playlist. To create a playlist, hit the New Playlist button, find a song that you want to put into a playlist, right-click on it, and find the appropriate playlist. If you have Spotify Premium, you can also choose to download this playlist for offline listening. This just scrapes the surface of what Spotify can do. So what are you waiting for? Go enjoy your vast and new library of 30 million songs. Thanks.
Oh shit, I'm still recording.